So I am changing out some door handles in the house today, and I just wanted to give you a quick little before and after and show you how easy these things are to install. Now I'll leave a link to this exact set in the description, but these ones right here are the Kwikset Microband series in the satin nickel. Oh, and the one that I'm going to be installing is the one that has no locks on it. Well, there it is. Obviously it looks a lot better than the old one. It's really comfortable and easy to open. And as you saw, the setup was pretty simple. The hardest part being just getting this piece right here in and the old one out. But all in all, the process probably took me a little over 5 minutes. And I would say it was definitely worth it. And as you can see, we have a few sets throughout the house. Some with locks, which are also really nice. So far, I really like them. They were a nice, easy upgrade, simple to install. Oh, and one of the nice things about getting this set is that the handles are reversible. So you can flip these handles. That way you can get whatever kind of grip you want, depending on what kind of door you have.